Welcome to Flash widget creation tutorial for Samsung Smart TVs. This tutorial is designed to provide the guide for making a Flash based application for Samsung Smart TV platform using Smart TV SDK. So now let's start with the basic introduction first. Samsung Smart TV has support for Adobe Flash Player 10.1 and Adobe AIR 2.5.1. The screen resolution for your Flash application should be kept to 960 by 540 pixels. TV remotes are the most common input devices for your smart TVs. Other than remotes, smartphones having Android 2.3 or higher operating system, iPhones, iPods, and even Android tablets can also be used as input device for your Samsung Smart TV. Samsung Smart TV basically supports three types of Flash applications. The first type are the standalone Flash applications, which directly use the Flash player provided by the Smart TV. Smart TV SDK cannot run this type of applications, although they can be directly run on the television. The second type are the Flash plugin or embedded applications, which use the Flash plugin attached to the Smart TV browser, in which SWF objects are embedded into HTML file. Samsung Smart TV SDK supports the development and emulation of this type of applications. The third and the final type are the AIR applications. Samsung Smart TV doesn't support the installation and running of AIR applications. This type of applications must be converted into the Smart TV application format for running them on the TV. Now let me show you a sample Flash application which I created using Adobe Flash technology. I will be running this application on the Samsung Smart TV SDK later. As you can see, it is a simple animation in which the motion of the circle is controlled using the keyboard keys. Now I will close the application and take you through the source code behind this application. This is the FLA file which I used to create the application. The circle movie clip is placed on the stage, and I am going to make it move and control its motion using the keyboard events. I will go to the action panel. As you can see, an event listener has been added to the stage, and the keyboard event from the keyboard need to be handled using the key handler function. Now I am going to define the key handler function and write the cases for different keys to be handled. The first case is the play key. As you can see, 65 is the key code for the play key in your TV remote, which is equivalent to A key in your keyboard. This is the code for the play key. Similarly, for the stop key, this is the code. 66 is the key code for stop key in your TV remote, which is equivalent to B key in your keyboard. Now I am going to close the panel and run it. Now if I press the A key, you can see it is playing. If I press the B key, the circle is going to stop. Now for other keys in your TV remote, you can refer to this screen. As you can see, the different keys of your TV remote have been mapped to the corresponding keys in your keyboard. This screen basically provides the key mapping between your keyboard and the TV remote. Okay. Now we will get onto the business of creating a new Flash project in your Samsung Smart TV SDK. So I have to open the SDK first. For creating a new Flash project, click File, New, New Project, Flash Project, Basic Flash Project. Press Next. Give a project name of your choice. I'll give it Hello World. Give a project ID. Suppose I give 5. Then I give the path of the SWF file which I am going to include in my project. This is the project settings page which I am going to explain to you later. Then click on Finish. After you click Finish, you can see a new Flash project has been created on the left hand panel of your SDK. I'll set it as active. I'll take you through the file structure of a new Flash project now. First I will go through the config.xml file first. This file basically contains the information about the application's execution, update, operating environment setting and other related issues. Note that the Flash Player tag is set to Y for a Flash application. Then I will go to the index.html file in which the Flash object is embedded. As you can see, the Flash object is embedded in the object tag. This is the path of the SWF file which I have included in my project, and this is the ID which I provided while creating the project. Now this is the SWF sample application which I created for you people as a demonstration. Now I am going to play the demo using the emulator. So as you can see, my app is now launched on the Samsung Smart TV emulator. If I press the play key, it's going to play, and if I press the stop key, it has stopped. Now let me close the emulator. Now what you saw was the creation of a Flash plugin or embedded application, because the Flash object was embedded in your index.html file. Now for creating a standalone Flash application, we don't need an index.html file. We just need the config.xml file and the SWF file which you are going to include in your project. I have created a sample standalone application for you people. As you can see, this is the file structure of a standalone Flash application, in which I have kept the SWF file in the SWF folder, and these are the resources folder, and this is the configuration XML file of a standalone Flash application. As you can see here, two tags are added. The first tag is the app type tag, which must be set to 13 for a standalone Flash application, and the contents tag, which contains the name and the path of the SWF file you are going to include in your project.